Dear learner, Namaste, good evening. In order to continuation of our exercise series for which we are making our own preparation for the various examinations in the Indian university system, mainly diploma, certificate, intermediate or any semester examination in any French beginners course. So, in this video today, I, Dr. Amit Tiwari, shall assist you or help you to, to learn better. We will share one exercise, and this exercise will be available with all the solution. So, stay tuned with this channel, Gyandhara Knowledge for All segment, and please do subscribe this channel if you are new to this channel and learn the French the way you want. To begin with, let us talk about this particular exercise, which is titled as Exercise 2, presented by Dr. Amit Tiwari. It is in continuation to our earlier video. Suppose if I am going to give you these questions in the framework of any French basic examination, and these are the question, then you how would you be able to prepare yourself or make the solution. So let us explore this exercise 2, which is there in two parts. Part 1 describes like this. Écrivez les jours de la weekend en français. That meant for write the weekend in the French. I had mentioned the narration in the English also. The second question that you need to answer is Donnez les noms et des mois d'été en français. Of course, this talks about give me the name of the summer months in the French. So, d'été, that is the summer that we used to talk about. So, what all are the months in the summer that we need to answer? And this is what the tricky question that you need to prepare with. The third question, which we can discuss about the exercise, that is, écrivez les numéros suivants en français. Write the numbers accordingly in the French. So numbers are 14, 33, 99, 121, 300. How do we write in this language of French? Similarly, we have part 2 of the exercise. We have similar capacity questions, so you can prepare yourself better. The question is something like that. Nomme 5 parties du visage en français. That meant for name 5 parts of the face in the French. So this seems a bit difficult because once you are preparing for your body parts, you'll be able to know the visage, that is your face, and that the part of the faces that you need to prepare with. So let us explore how will how will be the solution of this particular exercise. The second part of this particular part 2 is écrivez les dates suivantes en français. Write the dates in the French accordingly. Dates are 5th May 2000, 1st January 2024, 12th December 1999, 18th August 1987. The third question or third part of this third question of this part 2 exercise will be stands like this. So you can operate with this, and that the question is Gadiye Singh Senk Faz affirmative sample en français. Write the simple affirmative sentence or write these 5 simple affirmative sentences in French. So let us explore what all are the solution in this part. And if you wish to have the right kind of learning, if you are thinking that I am bit faster, please be slowly watch this particular YouTube video and learn by your own self. My submission would be you go through your own this particular video and then self-made exercise can be advised. Be there till the end. I'm going to provide you the solution for the same. So solution part 1, first question, écrivez les jours de la weekend français. Write the weekend. So weekends are very simple. Sunday is the Saturday, that is called weekend. In France, the month is Sunday is the weekend second day. Donnez les noms des mois d'été en français. Which are the months of summer? So Juin et Juillet et août are the month That meant for July, August, and September. June, July, and August are the month of the summers in the France or in French culture. Even in Indian culture, also we are having these are the summers. So let us further explore exercise 1's 2's part 1 question 3. Escribe los números según avances. If you are writing these numbers, this is very simple exercise, but how do you will solve it for the debutant? Those are newcomers. I am solving you on your behalf, but please try to do it your own. 14 calls up as katos, that is 14. 33 calls as thonthwa, so that is thonthwa. 99 calls up as katkwen dinaf, so that is katkwen is 80 plus 19, that is 99. So that katkwen is 80 and dinaf is 19, so 99. 121 is so when they so and that is 100 when they and that is 21, so 121 is so when they or it may sounds as so when they that is 121. So yeah, that is 300. So this is that you need to be very clear with the numbers. Numbers are the basic activity in the any language. So as in the language of French. Now, according to this particular exercise, after writing the numbers, solution part 2, exercise 2, part question 1 or question 2. Nome cinq parties du visage en français. Name five parts of the face in the French. So, if you are talking about face, suppose if you can see my face, I have eyes, nose, tongue or teeth, or maybe mustache. So, see, these are the English version of the same. If I am referring the French version, then les yeux is the eye, that is eyes of an individual like me and you. Le nez, that is the nose that you need to come up with. So this is what another part. La bouche, that is mouth. Mouth is this part. La oreille, that is ears. La oreille, les oreilles. Once you are writing in the context of that that we used to call with the article. So les oreilles, it will be pronounced like that. That is ears. Le font, that is forehead. So these are the five parts of your face or any human being's face rather. The third, second part of the second question of part two solution. It talks about écrivez les dates suivantes en français. Read the or write the following dates in French. 5th May 2000 will be called up as Le 5 May, the meal, right? You may write in English and French similarly, but if you are reading, this will be read up as the meal. 1st January 2004 will be called up as Le Famille Javier, the meal. Vingt cinq, vingt quatre, right? So this will be the 1st January 2024. 12 December 1999, it will be called up as Le 12 décembre 1900, 1999. So this will be called up as the date in the French. 18th August 1987 will be called up as Le 18 août 1987. So this will be the date by which you have to exercise. Please mind my words. If you are new to the language of French, first familiar with the numbers, months, then only you will be able to do that. Without that, this exercise you won't be able to justify. Let us explore the other part. That is, let us explore the other part. Whether I am visible or not. Let us explore the other part, that is the écrivez les dates suivantes en français that we had been through. Moving further, Gadi is saying fast, affirmative, simple A and fancies. Write five simple affirmative sentences in French. So let us talk about this. I believe writing any simple sentences are very easy. If you are not aware about yet, follow any sentences. I am done with this part of the sentences. Je parle français. I speak French. Elle mange une pomme. She eats one pomme meant for potato. Nous aimons la musique. I like the music. Il travaille à Paris. He works at Paris. Tu regardes la television. That meant for you watch the television. So these are the simple affirmative sentences. So this is the way we have dealt with this particular exercise. My dear students, if you are beginners and you are learning with me, please see this video twice or thrice so that you can learn, because I'm a bit faster. I will be able to see you with engage with more my videos so that you can learn more. There is a playlist available in this YouTube channel, Gyandhara Knowledge for All segment, which you can first subscribe, then you can prefer this playlist of French, and then you can learn your own self. What is your opinion? Until you have not subscribed, press the bell icon. You won't be able to get the alerts. Stay connected, get more learning in your context. Till then, it's good night. Ovak.